Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install Kali Linux on Ubuntu, but this works for most Linux distros as well. First step is to go to Kali Linux website, link in description, and then you can install this recommended image here. So first step is to download it. So you just click on here and then you start downloading. I have already downloaded it, so I will just click cancel. And then the second step is to go to VirtualBox website. And here you have to choose which version you want to download. So in my case, will be Ubuntu 22.04. And then you just click on it. It starts downloading. Again, I've already canceled it because I've already downloaded it before. Next, you see your files here. So you just go to the terminal and then you need to install VirtualBox. So for this, you type sudo dpkg-i and then the name of the file, in this case, VirtualBox file, enter. And then this will start installing it. Okay, perfect. So installation complete. Then you need to run VirtualBox. So if you want, you can just type VirtualBox on terminal and hit enter. This will open VirtualBox here. We have to select the ISO file we downloaded from Kali website. So just go to machine, click on new. Here you can just select any name. I will type Kali for me, but just choose whatever works for you. And here on ISO image, so we need to choose the ISO file we just downloaded for Kali. Select it. And then there are a few steps I would recommend to you. So in hardware, base memory here is set to it's too small, I think. So I usually go for 8 gigs, but this will depend on your setup, on your system there. And then processors, I like to leave it as 6, but choose whatever is best for you, whatever works for you. In hard disk, I recommend going for something bigger than 25 gigs. I think 80 works great. So if you have enough storage there, just go for 80. And that's it. So click finish. Great. So now we need to start our Kali machine. Just click start. It started running. So hit enter here, graphical install. And then leave everything as it is. This is what I recommend. So just hit continue here as well, continue. And then it will start the installation. And this may take a while. Here, for the purpose of this video, we can just leave hostname as vbox and continue. You can leave this empty. For full name, you can also leave this empty, just continue. And then here on username, you can pick whatever you want. I will pick Kali here, continue. This is the sudo password, so pick a sudo password for you, continue. This is time zone. Here, there is a configuration that I think is important. So my recommendation here is to use encrypted LVM. This will encrypt your disk. Just select it and continue, and then just continue. For the purpose of this video, let's put all files in one partition. But if you know how to deal with partitions, you can just configure your setup here. Continue. And here you select yes and click on continue again. Here again, this may take a while, so I will pause the video here and get back to you once this is finished. Okay, perfect. Here you have to choose a strong password. This is an encryption password, not the sudo password, so just pick a strong one. We have selected this before, so just hit continue. Again, continue. Select yes, continue. It's now installing the base system. This may take a while. So here you can either select GNOME, but I prefer to follow the default. So choose wherever you want and just click continue. And now this again will take a while. It's installing all software that will be running on the Kali machine. And then here you have to install the group bootloader. So just select yes, continue. And here you select the disk and continue. And then it's started installing the grub. Okay, so after grub has been installed, we need to reboot Kali. So for this, you just click continue. And then this will start the rebooting process. No need to remove any kind of media or anything. Just wait there. Okay, great. So select Kali here, hit enter. And then here, this is the encryption password that you chose before. This is not the sudo password. So just type your password and hit enter. Now will be your sudo password. So your user and your sudo password. Hit enter. Okay, and we are in. If you want to go full screen, you press right control, has to be the right control, cannot be the left control. So just push right control and then F. So you go full screen. If you want to exit full screen mode, right control and F again. And that's it. If you'd like to have a version of this video for Windows, how to install Kali on Windows, leave a comment there. Guys, if you like this content, remember to like this video to support the channel, subscribe, turn on notifications, and see you next video.